Hey guys, Ricardo here, and welcome to another blog tech tips. Here I have the Galaxy Tab A11. Should also apply to the A11 Plus and other variants that are similar from Samsung. I'm going to show you to change the time and date. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead and find your gear icon. You can either find it here or here. Go to settings. Once you're in settings as seen here, you're most likely going to be in the main menu. You're going to scroll down. Hope you're seeing what I'm showing you here. And you're going to go to the feature that says general management. So if you're on another screen, go ahead to general management. On the general management, go ahead and you're going to look for date and time. Go to date and time. Once you're on date and time as seen here, you can set the date and time. Now the trick here is that it's set automatically. So for example, if you want to turn off the 24 hours time format, which most people prefer, go ahead and toggle that off. Notice it's giving the time here in PM and AM. All right, so next what we're going to do is you can set automatic date and time. If you want to manually set it, go ahead and turn that off, and then you're going to manually set it. As long as your time zone is set correctly, it will be okay to keep it on automatic. However, if you want to manually set it, go here, you're going to tap, and once you tap, go ahead and set the date and time in accordance to what you want. All right, so in my case, the date is wrong, so I'm going to go ahead and tap. Today is the 18th according to the time of this video. I'm done, and right away you notice it's changed to 18th, and of course the time now, if I check it out on my watch, it's now 11:29, and it's saying 11:29, and it's actually 11:29 PM. So we're going to tap on that. We're going to change this to PM. We're going to hit done. And of course, now it's in a time format that's correct. And of course, what happens here is that if the date and time is wrong, it's going to cause issues with the internet. So if you're having internet issues, the wrong date and time can cause that. So I'm going to hit back. All right, so we're going to hit back and we're going to go back home. And that's how you actually go ahead and set the date and time on the Galaxy Tab A11 or even the A11 Plus. Hope that was useful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.